Numbers, singular versus plural. Use singular with one and plural with more than one. For example, 1 book, singular, 2 books, plural. Explanation. Use singular for one. When referring to just one item or person, the noun stays in its singular form. Use plural for numbers greater than 1. When referring to more than one item, 2, 3, 10, etc., the noun changes to its plural form. Here are 3 practice exercises. You have 5 seconds to solve it. Write in the comments below how many correct answers you got. Fill in the blanks. I have 2, brother and 1, sister. Answer. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. He has 10, book on the shelf. Answer. He has 10 books on the shelf. We saw 2 fish swimming near the boat. Answer. We saw 2 fish swimming near the boat. Find 5 more practice exercises on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.